Like other Wilson 3D appliances, the multi-action palatal appliance is removable from the sheaths that are welded to the cemented bands. Like all Wilson appliances, everything should be cemented in as one piece, and then after the cement is cured, the active body wire can be removed for adjustment purposes. There are several points of adjustment to this appliance, however most focus on the 5 areas of the diamond loop. An adjustment at each of these areas will have a specific impact on the way in which this appliance moves. For adjustment and rotation of the posterior segments, adjusting at the top of the diamond will distally rotate the molars mesially. An adjustment on the 2 lateral sides of the diamond will have a similar effect and can also distalize. An adjustment at the bottom tube will allow for rotation distally. For lateral development, an adjustment at the apex of the diamond and a counter adjustment at the distal bends of the diamond loop is used. Labial arms can be adjusted as needed. The appliance will come with the lapping arms, as you can see here on almost all cases. These can be adjusted or cut off to suit the needs of your specific case. Notice that these are tapering arms. They are thicker at the base of the appliance and taper as it gets to the extremity. This allows for ease of adjustment as well as applying lighter forces against the anterior teeth. To begin the adjustment, measurements should be made using fixed landmarks that will not change during the course of treatment. In this case, at the posterior, in its passive state, we measure 34 millimeters. Making a mark on the lingual arm at the area of the first bicuspid will allow you a landmark to measure, and in this case, here we read 25 millimeters. Taking the appliance off the model, we will activate it by placing a 4 millimeter load on the active elements of the appliance. Adjust for even lateral expansion using the top of the diamond loop for adjustment. Use the 139 bird beak pliers and place the round portion inside the loop. A gentle squeeze is all it takes to open the loop and rotate both sides of the appliance. A counter adjustment to the distalmost bends of the body wire will expand the arch evenly and bring that rotated bend back into alignment. Use the Bowley gauge to verify that we get a 4 millimeter load laterally from 25 millimeters to 29. This same dimension should translate to these 2 points on the lingual arms. For demonstration purposes, we have the upper arch upside down. To place the appliance back in the mouth, simply seat the longer of the 2 vertical legs in the female sheath first, and then engage the remainder of the arch in the mouth. Then you would do the second side exactly the same.